Garlic, the team captain of the allium world. And today, I'm gonna show you a quick technique of how to roast it. Bit of aromatics, and I'm just gonna cover this. Olive oil about halfway up. Seems like a lot of oil, but that oil has a second purpose for salad dressings, mashed potatoes, anything you want to infuse a light roasted garlic flavor into. So into the oven, low and slow. Oh yeah. So this is exactly what I'm looking for. This is so sweet. Try that.
Thank you, Chef.
Something so simple as roasted garlic on toast. Beautiful.
So warm and crunchy. Delicious. The earthiness of the garlic.
Yeah, Nicole, take one back for Sabio.
Great, thank you, Chef.